Two former Minneapolis police officers reject a plea deal and instead choose to go back on trial. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Kelsey Carlson.
And I'm Amy Hockert. So now Tou Thao and J. Alexander Kueng will face a state jury this fall in connection to George Floyd's murder. Fox 9's Paul Bloom joins us live from the Government Center. Paul, you talked with a legal expert to get some insight on why they wouldn't take the deal.
I did, Amy. Kelsey, conventional wisdom here is take the deal. These two men, J. Alexander Kueng and Tou Thao, of course, already convicted and sentenced in federal court. Their sentences 3 and 3.5 years, respectively. And the state not looking to add any time at all to those sentences with this plea offer. In a sometimes tense and testy hearing in front of Judge Peter Cahill Monday morning, defendants Tou Thao and J. Alexander Kueng said no deal. The pair rejecting the state's final offer on aiding and abetting charges in the deadly arrest of George Floyd more than 2 years ago now.
It's a huge risk, but it is something they have a right to do.
The prosecution laid out the proposal offered to both defendants in open court. Plead guilty to count 2, aiding and abetting manslaughter. The state would then dismiss the more serious charge of aiding and abetting murder. In exchange, a 36-month state prison sentence to be served concurrently or at the same time as their federal sentences that are already in that same ballpark in terms of duration. Remember, co-defendant Thomas Lane has already accepted the very same offer. Kueng and Thao, though, said no, thank you. It's important to note here a conviction on the top count opens up a maximum sentence of 12.5 years. Plus, prosecutors reminded the parties they are seeking an aggravated sentence, meaning the potential for even more time behind bars.
What are these guys thinking?
It's up to them.
While prosecutors had little to say afterwards, Thao in particular remained defiant, insisting in court that he is not pleading to anything because he isn't guilty of anything. I asked University of St. Thomas Associate Law Professor Rachel Moran about the legal strategy.
It could just be they are not willing to stand up in court and say they committed a crime. And they'd rather take the chance of going down on more serious counts and serving more time in prison than admit they did anything criminally wrong.
And one final point here as we head to trial in October. Kueng and Thao are appealing their federal convictions and sentences. And Rachel Moran, that professor, wondered aloud if they're confident that those of a winning appeal in federal court, that this may be their roadmap if they can get acquitted here in Hennepin County of avoiding prison altogether. Stay tuned. We're live in downtown Minneapolis tonight. Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right. Thank you, Paul.